Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular video what I'll be doing is that I'll be showing you how to basically get your stocks quotation from any website. Okay, so from Google Finance. Okay, basically, so what I'll do is, first of all, I will write my symbol over here. Okay, and then I'll do S&P 500, or I'll just do .tax, then .tax, right? And then after that what I could do is Reliance, right? RELINC, right? APPL, could do Tesla, TSLA, right? So after this, if you, whatever thing that you require, so suppose if you want the name for this particular company, right? So you could do Google Finance. First of all, enter that function. Ticker symbol will be this. After that, attribute will be name. Okay, so in this case, so your attribute is like your price, open, high, whatever you require. Okay, these are the attributes that you actually require. So if you require price, you type in price. If you require high, you type in high. Okay, so in this particular case we just need the name, right? So we just type name. Okay, why are you not displaying? Okay, see, this one is displaying. See, this one is displaying. You know why it's doing that? Maybe it's because of the exchange. Okay, so let's Google Finance. Let's find out what ticker symbol do Google Finance use. Google Finance, Apple, right? Apple Finance. So let's just use Nifty.inx, right? .inx, okay. So INX, and then let's just change this to Netflix, right? What ticker symbol do they use? Nflix, NFLX, right? So see, now we have the name, right? So after this, what we require is price, right? First thing first, Google function again, Google Finance, I mean, and then ticker symbol, and then after that, attribute is basically we need just the price, right? So inside quotation marks, price, close bracket, and enter. Pulling the data down, okay, using the fill handle, all you need to do is it'll just automatically display the price and everything. Okay, so similarly in this way what you can also do is open high, low, lows, 52-week high, 2-week low. So similarly in this case you do Google Finance and then your ticker symbol, comma, inside inverted comma you put in price open. Okay, so in this case it's price open. So all the list is over here. Okay, I'll add this particular link in the description as well. So from there you can basically use this particular attribute to get particular things that you require. Okay, so that's done as well. So similarly in this case, Google Finance, ticker symbol is this, and then after that we use low, right? No, it's high. This one is high. Okay, same thing over here as well. Google Finance, ticker symbol, comma, attribute is low. Okay, that's done. And then after that, Google Finance, ticker symbol, comma, attribute, close. You know why it won't display? I'm pretty sure. You know why? Because the attribute for getting the previous closing is basically previous day's closing price is close yes. Okay, so I have to edit this YEST. Now I'll get it. Okay. So similarly, what you can do is basically you can get 52 weeks high as well. How? So 52 days high is basically high 52. So Google Finance, your ticker symbol, and then your attribute for it is high 52. Okay. So similarly for your low 52 days low, 52 weeks low is basically this comma, your attribute will be low 52, and that's it. Right. So you can select all this thing, fill it down as well. See, all these things are there. So after that, you can basically add in volumes, market time, trade time as well. You can add in that. So you can add in volume, basically Google Finance again, your ticker symbol, and then inside your semicolon, and then inside quotation, I mean volume, right? Volume is your attribute, not only VOL. So volume is also displayed. So similarly, we can also find the change percentage, number of outstanding shares. Okay, so all this attribute can be used. Okay, all this attribute can be used for this sort of data. Okay, for this sort of data. So yeah, that is how we basically get this kind of data. Okay, so next thing that I want to basically show it to you as well is, suppose you want old data for Netflix. Okay, so Netflix, so the data that we want is that basically we want price, or what we could be doing is that Google Finance, the symbol is Netflix, comma, our attribute is what we need, price, right? Comma. So start date will be, so basically what's the start date that we want the data to be from. So let's say 12/12/2016, and then inside quotation as well, this thing should be inside quotation as well, and then should have a starting quotation as well, comma, today's date 28th of June or 27th. Okay, so the data might not be generated by today, 2020. And then what kind of data do we need? Daily, weekly, right? So I'll just type in daily, or I'll just type in weekly. So it says loading. See, the data, everything is generated. See, from 2016 all the data has been generated. Okay, so after this what you can do is basically select this two and then just add in a filter, and then basically after that so you have your date, right? So in this date, if you sort it out, it does not sort it out that way. Okay, so in this case what you can do is that basically you can create a separate date over here as well. Okay, so you can create a date, and then what you do is basically just take left, use the left function, and then after that string will be this, and then how many strings do you want, how many characters do you want? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10. So in this way you can just filter out the date only, not the time. Okay, and then just put in the close over here, and then just arrange your data. Okay, so basically the main important thing is you can use your Google spreadsheet to get real-time data. Like you could find out the price, open, high, low, close, 52 weeks, high, low, everything. Okay, so similarly you can also get data from particular date to particular date, but you have to use a different function. You have to use this kind of function. Okay, this function, this first function. So you have to first of all insert the ticker symbol, your attribute, which will be the price or whatever you need, right? So you can even get the open open quotation from this particular date to this particular date on a daily or weekly, whatever. Okay, so basically, so in this case, we retrieved the data of Netflix from 2016, right? So that was our data. Okay, so you can do that, all of that in Google function, Google spreadsheet, using the function called Google Finance. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, so that's it for today. You can do it for any kind of shares. If you have any difficulty, please do tell me in the comment down below. I'll definitely help you out with it. Until next time, bye bye, take care.